Hello, my fabulous viewers, and welcome back to this session of tarot reading. Now, this is a solar eclipse message for the sign of Cancer. Eclipses have huge impact on our lives, so things can change in a very big way, and it takes 6 months for the outcome to really, come to fruition. अब कैंसर पीपल आपके लिए जो पहला कार्ड आया है, इट इज़ अ कार्ड ऑफ एफर्ट. सो आप काफ़ी एफर्ट पुट इन कर रहे हैं, या एक्लिप्सेस आर आस्किंग यू टू पुट इन लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट, हार्ड वर्क, लेबर, because you are focusing on your goal. You have to achieve those goals, so you should not be distracted, and you should put as much effort that you can on your goal, and this is really going to pay off. The next card which I've got for you is time out. So I think of late cancer आप लोग काफ़ी बिजी रहे हैं अपने काम में, और आपने इतना ज़्यादा अपने आप को बिज़ी रखा कि आपने अपने लिए टाइम नहीं निकाला. तो टाइम आउट आपके लिए कार्ड आ रहा है, टाइम आउट. सो यू नीड अ ब्रेक का मतलब है कि आप एक दिन आप घर पे कुछ लेज़ आउट करें, या फिर आप कुछ भी ना काम करें. दिस इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ टेलिंग मी. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ शोइंग दैट टाइम आउट मीन्स दैट you want to आप कुछ भी करें, you go for a facial or a hot bath, or on a vacation for a day or two, or do yoga, meditation, anything which keeps you happy. Connect to the nature, go out for a nature walk. This is what it is telling me, Cancer, for you. And the last card is spirituality. तो शायद आप इतना ज़्यादा बिजी है कि आप स्पिरिचुअलिटी पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहे. स्पिरिचुअलिटी का मतलब है praying to the divine. You should believe and have faith in divine, because everything happens according to what God plans for us. So आपके लिए मैसेज है कि आप अपने ईश्वर से कनेक्ट करें, and you should meditate, and things will definitely be successful, because we humans as humans हमारी limitations होती हैं. So we can only exert ourselves. हम लोग एक ही पॉइंट तक अपने आप को exert कर सकते हैं, बाकी सब हमें ईश्वर पर छोड़ना पड़ता है. So this is what I have for you. Cancer people, that you need spirituality, break out of the efforts you are putting in. Now the numbers for you, lucky numbers are for you for 4, 1 and 5. 5, 4 and 1. It could be your birthday, or it could be your important date for you. So these are the important dates for you, Cancer people. And remember, you can use the color yellow. Yellow is connected to solar plexus. So solar plexus का मतलब है कि you should take care of your health and body. And purple color for crown chakra, so to connect spiritually to God. This is a color of spiritualism. And also green color, connect to the nature, connect to the divine, to the universe, everything around you. You should connect to it. So this is what I have for you, that take time out, take a break. Despite the efforts you're putting in, be a little spiritual, leave things to God, and you will be successful and achieve your goals. So please hit the like button if you like the content, and see you next time. Till then, bye-bye.